Welcome back, it's 509. So today we got the Arrma Gorgon again, and we're gonna be installing more power to it. If you guys haven't watched my unboxing video, go check it out. This thing goes about 25 miles an hour on the brush motor. So this is what we're gonna be installing, a 3150 kV brushless motor, and we're gonna be running a 3S system in it. I know I have an extra system somewhere. Yeah, I gotta organize this a little bit better. Might be in this one. Oh, yeah, there it is. Sweet, perfect. So we got the whole system out. Probably gonna keep it, use it for something else. Time for the new one. Since we can't use this pinion, it's too small, we're gonna go find one. The only issue I have with this truck is the battery compartment. It's not very big, so kind of sucks. Here's the battery we're running, Electron Pro. Nice. Okay, we're just gonna do a little speed run right now. Got this little Sky RC GPS thing. We're just gonna attach it to the front. Out of the box, it goes like 25. There we go. Oh. I told him, like, hey, take it easy because it's gonna wheelie and flip, and he just flipped it. Stop. Read. Dang, dude. 47 miles an hour.
We can go on the freeway speed now.
Yeah. Oh, almost a backflip. Hey, you landed.
Ready?
Go. Woo! Bro, you could have had that one.
You think so?
Ooh!
See that?
Ah! I thought I was gonna do a backflip for sure. Surprisingly, that thing is holding up. We hit this tree. We hit that tree. We hit this tree.
It hit you.
Oh, he did hit me. Did you see that wheel tap?
Did. And we landed.
And we landed. Dude, it throws up a roost pretty good too. I don't know, how big is it?
Pretty small. I don't want to hit the
Oh, the post? Bro, if you didn't press it, it would have been good.
You serious?
Woo! Yeah, so far I'm actually pretty impressed with it. I think the fact that the tires are really soft kind of helps with the driving. It actually grips pretty good.
Yeah, holding up so far. No,
Yeah, so far, what? Nothing broke.
No.
Yeah. It's a pretty solid truck. Like I said, you know, out of the box, it might be a little underpowered, but if you're getting into RCs, it's a good truck. And then if you want to upgrade it, so far it's pretty solid.
Yeah, it's more fun than with this. A little bit more power. You can actually give it gas, control it and whatnot.
Yep.
But ooh.
Land! 10 out of 10. Ooh, that was so smooth. Wow.
Come on, let me do a front flip. Just kidding.
You did a side flip. That was perfect, man. That was good enough. Woo! Yeah, that was a good corner. Woo! Land.
Dude, this thing rolls like no other.
I mean, it is kind of boxy. I mean, the truck didn't break yet. Everything, the only damage we have is to the body from rolling it so much. But other than that, still runs strong. So thanks guys for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.